Welcome to Fiddly Stitch Tutorials. This is part 2. Trying to do a multi-page sublimation on glow vinyl. As you can see, I've taped my image together, lined up pretty good. I sprayed it down with some quilt basting spray. Just helps the image retain the vinyl so that it doesn't fall off. Let me go ahead and get started on putting this down. We're going to start with the carrier side. The side that peeled from the carrier is going into the image. Okay, we're back. I got it all set down. It's just a smidge off, and it's just from the tape job, so this is really a hard one. I've never tried to accomplish this dual print image, but so it'll be a little off in the borders, but it'll be pretty close. Anyways, as you can see, the image is on there, the vinyl's on the back, it's stuck together. Now it's ready for pressing. We're going to actually press it down onto parchment paper, which you can get just about anywhere, and we would press it down this way. So sublimation facing down, glue should be facing up, the tape I mean, and you would press it at 385 for 45 seconds, and then open it up, let it cool down, and we're going to show you the process here. Just a second. Okay, so we've transferred it over to our platen, set it on our press plate. We're just waiting for it to warm up. As soon as it warms up, then we'll go through the steps. We're going to place a cover sheet on top of that before we press. I use craft paper, something that's disposable, because that ink will bleed up through the back of the sublimation paper, and then it'll be something that you have to trash anyways. You could use another piece of parchment paper that would hold it. Okay, so finally the temperature's there. We're going to go ahead and slide it in. 45 seconds. Press it. And when it's ready to pop up, I'll come back. Okay, so the timer's finished. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. Remove the carrier sheet. And I'm going to transfer our image. I'm just going to put it on the table so it'll have a chance to cool down a little bit. That's our image. Okay, so here's the inside of our image. Okay, might look greeny. And then we're going to get ready to load our shirt on. Press that. Let me cool down the temperature on the platen, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've set our vinyl. Sublimation paper still attached. We're just going to go ahead and press directly to the garment now. For this vinyl, the time and temperature is 320. For cotton applications, which is what we're doing, we're going for 25 seconds. So, go ahead and drop this down. We'll we'll be back with the finished result. Okay, so the time's about up. There it is. We're going to open it up. Take off the carrier sheet. And we're going to peel this hot. And that's it. That's the final image. It looks good. Alright, and let me pause it so we can show the glow effect on it. Okay, so we're just charging the glow up with the light so you can see the outcome. It looks pretty good. Yeah, that came out really good. I like that. Of course, the flower also. Oh, yeah. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for checking us out. I hope you like, share, subscribe. Bring your friends to check it out. We'll have to make another video. Thanks again. Bye.